On this tutorial video, I'm going to show you about how to create a navigation form. This is, these are the 7 steps on how I'm going to show you step by step. First, you need to open your own database. As you all know that the navigation form can act like a home page. It is usually switched to form or report. Okay, but first you need to create a navigation form. Select create here at the forms group, select navigation, and you can choose any types of navigation you want. I choose horizontal tabs. Okay, the next is how to add a form or report to a navigation form. From left, drag form, customer form here, and choose another. I choose report one here, and you can also add any other report or form right here. Okay. Then you need to Ctrl Shift to save your navigation form. Customers. Okay. Then save. The next are how to edit the label at the top of navigation form. When you create a navigation form, access as a default label here, navigation form. You create the label twice. And edit the name as you want. Okay. Alright, the next step is how to edit the form caption. Write the label that you have been changed. You right click here and you can see here the form properties, select, and the property sheet, you choose this caption and edit the name you want. So this and enter. Okay, and this. You can see the top list. The tab is changed, but the name at the navigation pane is remain unchanged. The next is I'm gonna show you about how to apply an office theme to a database. To make your database more colorful and more professional, click design here and choose the themes as you want. There are many themes you can choose to make your database more colorful. Choose this one, and you can see the navigation pages are already changed and it looks more colorful. And you can choose another colors or fonts you want. Choose this and okay. You see here, the color is changed and looks more bright colorful. You can also customize color of navigation button. Each button can have different color. Okay, this is the navigation. You need to be set first. Navigation button. Okay, you click here format and click stars and choose the color fonts you want. Okay, I will select every navigation button to change it to more colorful. Just one and another, the last one. Okay, quick stars and change. Okay, you can see it looks more colorful right now. A navigation form make a great homepage. You might want it to display as soon as you open the database. Select File and Options and Current Database here and Display Form. You choose navigation form that you already edit the name. Customers. Then click OK. And then click OK here. And then you close. Okay, save first. And then you close and open back. Okay, see the navigation is already shown at the same time, so you can have everything you need at your fingertips. This is a usually tutorial and you may be practicing it